Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number 1 equals 1,000 meters. Correct. Number 2 is there. This means extra. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer walks for 2 kilometers every day. Jennifer walks for 2 kilometers every day. Kilometers. She walks for 2,000 meters. It takes about 20 minutes. Jennifer walks for 2 kilometers every day. Now change it to tomorrow. What will Jennifer do? She will walk for 2 kilometers tomorrow. She will walk 2 kilometers tomorrow is also correct. Now let's make a flashcard for kilometers. Please make a flashcard like this. Write kilometer up here in the top left corner. Kilometer. Down here, MTS1. This means metric system level 1. Over here, the number 4 out of 6. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Kit, law, mit, ter, kilometer. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Do you want more ice cream? Do you want more ice cream? Do you want more ice cream? More. You already ate some ice cream, and now I say, was it delicious? Are you still hungry? Do you want more ice cream? Do you want more ice cream? Answer, yes, I do. Or, no, I don't, if you are full. Now change you to Jennifer. What's this word now with 4 letters? We say, does Jennifer want more ice cream? And we also use more when we are comparing 2 things. We say, Bob has more books. Jennifer has, what's this word? Than. So we use it comparing things. More is the opposite of less or few. Now let's make a flashcard for more. Please make a card like this. Write more up here in the top left corner. M-O-R-E. Down here, GW1. This means grammar word level 1. Over here, the number 66 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. More. More. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned kilometer. Yep. And is there? Yeah, Bob is still hungry. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1 is a night from Monday to Friday. Weeknight, correct. And Bob is not guilty. He is innocent, correct, with a C. And to do something over means to do something again, correct. Today is Sunday, October 19th. Show number 244. Please write your language on the other side. How do you say kilometer in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. See you tomorrow, everyone.